Hello everybody, I'm back again. So I wanted to jump real quick and come and share this cute little design team project for shabbyDabbyDoodah that I made. The kit that I used was the Secret Garden, and it's a beautiful kit and it's big. So I was trying to see how much I could do with that one kit, not counting an actual, big journal. So I was just playing about, and I made this and I still have stuff left. So I'm going to start with this one only because the stuff that I still have left over, pages and a lot of embellishments, I'm making more ephemera pieces and they're going to go in here. Now this is a file folder that I just cut in half and they've been copy dyed, and I just sewed around it and went ahead and embellished it with this beautiful kit. And I added one of those little pieces that comes with the kit. Yeah, I like the way it turned out. So I'm gonna add some ephemera into it, but I haven't finished that. Of course, if you guys know me, I'm very impatient. I couldn't wait till I finish this part. But I'm sure that when I do, I'm still gonna have pieces left over because that kit is beautiful and it's big. It's big. It's got a lot of ephemera to play with. As you can see, we'll see right now in these, I went ahead and added this is an envelope booklet that I made. I've done this before, I think. And as you can see, I went ahead and used some of the pieces. The page that I used only had this this image, and I went ahead and added these elements to the top that came with the kit, and I love the way it turned out. And I added some of this vintage trim here, and then a little floral trim. And it was a long piece. I had to cut a piece off because I didn't want it to cover the beautiful paper. And I did go ahead and distress it with vintage photo. There you go. So I'm going to start with this one. Move this one aside. This one measures, I think I wrote it here, 5.5 by 7.5. There you go. I tried to go ahead and do all my measurements before I started the video because I always, you guys know me, I always forget. But anyways, this is what I did for this one. I went ahead and added a piece of file folder, decorated, bring it up so you guys could see. This is one of the little embellishments that came with it. I just fussy cut them. This one as well. I just added some lace, some of this trim here, and I love the way it turned out. And make sure I'm in frame. On the inside, all the ephemera I used, if it's not shabbyDabbyDoodahs, it is from the Old Design Shop. Also another one of my favorite shops from Etsy. So these all came from there. No, I'm sorry. This one's from the Old Design Shop. These two came in the kit. As you can see, like I said, I still have a lot of little tags, just different kinds of tags, sizes that come with it. Images. I was going to bring the tray, but I came to the kitchen. I was going to bring the tray and show you guys what I still have left over. But anyways, it's two file folders. I'm sorry, two envelopes, which I don't have anymore. But I did add these flaps. These are made out of cardstock in case anybody's interested in knowing. Here I added one of my book pages. And here, this is one of the pieces of ephemera that came with the kit. I just went ahead and layered it on a piece of file folder. Did some collaging, added some of this lace on the bottom. And it's beautiful. I had so much fun making this. They're really, really fun to make. It has some of these labels also. And then on the back, I made another tag. You also get some of these pieces that, again, I went ahead and, did some collaging on the bottom and added that piece there. And they're all blank in the back for journaling. So yes, I love that kit because it has so much to work with. I mean, and then look at the page. The page is really, really beautiful. I went ahead, like I said, and distressed all of them just a little bit with the Vintage photo. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a video. Anyway, so that's that flap there. This, it's holding a little insert, but I'll leave that last because I know it's going to give me a hard time to put it back in. But on this side, again, I went ahead and added a flap with a piece of cardstock, and then just added one of my little corner pockets made out of book pages. And then it has these two pieces of ephemera, and these two are from the old design shop. And look at the image. I didn't want to add that pocket there because I didn't want to cover it. But you know, I love adding pockets. But this paper, it's really pretty. Like, you don't want to cover it. And that was a hard part for me. You know, look at this one over here on this side. Beautiful. I love the florals. So let me put this down on here. Again, another cute little label there. Here's another tag. And this is the image that's on the front page that I kind of covered. But I love the I want to say birds, but they're doves. I'm thinking they're doves. Really cute. I think this project would have been an awesome craft with me. Look at this image. You see the couple there. Really cute. So this one just pops back there. So then this one, I just added this little clip to keep it together, but this is a little booklet. So I'm going to take it out. But so you guys could see, look at the paper. Really pretty, and you can journal there. And then this side. So yes, that kit is beautiful. And then this is the booklet that I made for it. Because of course you have space for journaling here, but you need more space. So this is just a simple little booklet I made, and there's the beautiful paper, and I didn't do anything to the pages. They're all just blank pages. You have some of this ledger, and then some coffee dyed paper, some music sheet paper, some of this, what is it, graph paper? So yeah, this is just so you can do all your journaling needs in there. And then again, I have that image there, and then here I just went ahead and added this piece. This is also another little piece of embellishment that's in there for you to use. So just fussy cut it and popped it there so it could have view on both sides. I did, like I said, went and inserted all the little pages there. You don't have to do that. You can just do one page. The original one that I made had two booklets. I had one here and one on this side. This book, I just made one. So for now, I guess I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm just gonna pop that there to make sure these flaps, the flap doesn't open. But anyways, I love the way it turned out. Really cute. I had so much fun making this. And then this is the journal I made. This one is covered my little thingy. Oh, I don't think I said this. This one measures 5 3/4 by 9, almost 9 inches. I forgot to say the size on that one. And this one is 9 by almost 5. And this one, I used one of these large envelopes. I found these at a thrift store. I'd never seen these. Well, I've never seen one of these this big. I think the measurement for this one, yeah, 11.5 by 5. I'd never seen one of these. So I found a few. Wasn't a lot. I wish I would have found way more, but still gave me enough to play with. But anyways, it's a cute little journal. I loved it. I love the way it turned out. It's a cute size. You can shove it in your purse, take it with you when you want to journal. It's a cute size. Beautiful paper, like I said. I used the same image as I did on the little file folder one. I just love that image. Anyways, let's go inside. So on the inside, because the envelope is really big, as you can see, I went ahead and folded it to make pockets. So here I added these two pieces, and these are both from the old design shop. And then I made this large tag. So as you can see, you can journal there. And there's another piece of the ephemera pieces that came with it, and there's also another little label one. And then I added some trim there. So yeah, these are large, really cute. And then you have another label here with a little die cut of some florals. And those just pop in here. Look at these, aren't these cute? I need to print some more and just have them to use in other crafts. I love the shape. So I went ahead and added pieces throughout the book. I didn't put a pocket on all of them, all of the pages. I wanted to keep it, slim. Here, this is also another element that comes with the kit, and I went ahead and just did some layering on the bottom. So I like the way that turned out, and you got all this space for journaling. Here's another piece of ephemera that I turned into a little tuck. This is also another, this is also another piece of ephemera that came with the kit. And I just added an old music sheet to cover the file folder. Layered a little bit of some scraps I had there, some of this fabric and some lace. And this is a piece of ephemera from the old design shop. So that just pops back there. Oh, I don't want to touch the camera. Here is one of my little tag pockets that I make. Again, added some of this floral trim. And this little piece, like I said, you get a lot of different sizes of ephemera in this kit. Really, really cute. A lot to play with, guys. Look at this. Cute. And I just went ahead and collaged papers and some lace and just added that piece. I love the way it turned out. And then way on the back, I have these two pieces, and these are from the old design shop. Also very fun to play with. So those just go there. Here I just went ahead and did some layering. Papers, some lace, some of this trim here, and then some buttons. And I found these buttons that are they're not pink. I don't know what's the color, but they match with the paper really good. I'm trying to say lavender, but it's not lavender. But anyways, it's cute. I'm a mess. I know. And then on this side, again, this is also another little small element that came with it. I just went ahead and did some collaging on the bottom. So I thought that came out cute. This is an old, I'm trying to say it's an old index card, but these are old. This is from 1964. Well, the card was typed in November 23rd, 1952, but then over here it has 1964. I'm assuming they're from library cards. Yeah. It says grade 7, Lincoln. Anyways, these were gifted to me by a good friend, Debbie Ham. She gifted me some of those, so I added some in the book. And then on this side, this is a paper clip actually that's holding this, and I did it using one of the little tags that came with the kit. How cute is that? Just added a little button, and then just added this piece of lace in the back. And I put that paper clip because this one, it folds open, so you have a lot of space for journaling. And then you have this large piece of ephemera that I just tuck in there. So those go in here with the paper clip. And then on this, I didn't put anything there, guys. Okay, I have to come back to, I always do that. See, I get so anxious to want to come and show something, and I didn't decorate that. It's gonna be decorated, guys, and it's gonna look cute. So on the back here, there's another tag I made, and there's another piece of ephemera that came with the kit. So that's cute. Pop that in there. And I took pictures of it to show on, Instagram and Facebook, and I didn't see that. I mean, it looks nice though, just like that, but no, You need something there. And then this one here. This is also a piece of ephemera that you just fussy cut that goes in the, that comes with the kit. So that just pops in there. And then these two, and these came from the old design shop. Put that there. Oh. So I'll come back to that. Hopefully that's the only one. This is the center of the booklet. I don't know if I mentioned, but the booklet only has, I think, 5 pages folded. So it's a total of 10 or 20 front and back. 3, 4, 5, yeah. So it's a small book, but it's cute. I love the way it turned out, guys. There's another cute little piece. And then here I did some layering and then just fussy cut the chandelier. And then on this side, there's another journaling card I made. And just added some of this vintage trim. I just left it hanging. I liked how that looked. And this is again another piece of ephemera that comes with the kit. So yeah, guys, that kit is large. Large, and it's beautiful. Look at that. You just use this to date. And then journal on there. Really pretty. And the colors are soft, really nice. Space for journaling here. There's another tuck I made. This is also another piece of ephemera that came with the kit. And then on here, I have these two. Those just pop in there. And then on this side, I just added this cute little piece there. And then here's just copy dyed paper. Just fold it. Copy dyed. Music sheet paper. So I didn't want to tear it out, so I just fold it. Here is another cute little tuck. And then it has these 2 pieces of ephemera. And it's the cute image that I love so much. She's so pretty. And then I added some of this, another little fussy cut flowers that I just added there. I think that went like that. And then here's another one of those cards that I got. This one is 1950, December 24th. So these are cool. I did go ahead and distressed a little bit more on them, but I think they look so cute. And then on this side, put this down. Paper clip, don't get stuck there. There's another cute little tag I made. And again, with the image there. So cute, guys, so cute. If you guys haven't checked out that kit, go check it out. Really pretty. And then on the back, we have these 2 pieces. And then here's a large tag for the back. And again, you have that floral at the top, one of these labels. And that's a cute little, oh my goodness, ephemera piece that comes with it. So yes, guys, this is all I have so far that I've made with one kit. And I still have some more. So once the other items that I'm still working on are complete, I will add them to this, and then I'll come back and show you this and see what else I make out of it. But beautiful, fun kit. Like I said, it's from shabbyDabbyDoodah. Check it out if you guys like. And that's all for today, guys. Hopefully my next video will be craft with me. I keep saying that. I know. Here's the ruler. You guys do what you need to do. I'm sorry. But anyways, that's it for today. So I will see you guys in my next video. You guys take care. Oh, I forgot to say, they will be listed on Etsy if you guys are interested. But that's all for today. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.